In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Calendar with your organization. Google Calendar is a powerful tool for keeping your team organized and on the same page. So let's dive right in and make sure everyone in your organization can access your calendar effortlessly. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Calendar by typing in calendar.google.com. Once you're there, you'll see your weekly or monthly calendar view. Now let's head up to the top right corner of the page where you'll spot the gear icon, which stands for settings. Go ahead and click on that icon, and from the drop down menu select settings. Now that you're in the settings area, glance over to the left hand side of your screen, scroll down and find your calendar under the settings for my calendars section at the bottom left. Click on your calendar to access its specific settings. Within your calendar settings, you'll need to scroll down slightly until you find the section labeled Access Permissions for Events. This is where we'll be configuring the sharing options. Here, you'll see an option to make available to public. If your goal is to share your calendar widely within your organization, you might want to select this checkbox. But keep in mind, by checking this box, you're making your calendar events visible to everyone, including via Google search, which might not be appropriate for all situations. Upon checking this option, a warning dialog box will appear, alerting you that making your calendar public will expose all events to the world. If you're sure about this decision and it aligns with your organization's policies, go ahead and click OK to proceed. With public access enabled, you'll notice a drop-down menu emerge next to the Make Available to Public checkbox. Click on this drop-down to choose the level of visibility for your public calendar. You can decide whether people can see only free/busy times, which hides event details, or allow them to see all event details, depending on your preference and privacy requirements. Once you've set the visibility level, it's time to share it out. You'll find an option to Get Shareable Link. Click on this to generate a link that you can distribute to your team. This link grants access to your calendar based on the visibility settings you just configured. The last step is simple. Click Copy Link to copy the shareable link to your clipboard. Now, you can easily paste it into emails, team chats, or wherever your colleagues will find it most accessible. And that's it. You've successfully made your Google Calendar shareable with your organization. Now everyone can stay up to date with important events and appointments. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made sharing your calendar straightforward and hassle-free.